Hello, and thank you for viewing this SAP Carryover Residual Budget Transaction Code training video. Welcome. This instructional video shows how to use the SAP Carryover Residual Budget Transaction Code to carry forward unused operating budget from the current fiscal year to the next fiscal year. To see the Carryover Residual Budget SAP Transaction Code, navigate to the folder where it is stored. In the User menu folders, find the FM Budget Closing Specialist folder. If you don't see the FM Budget Closing Specialist folder, then you have not requested this SAP security role or your job does not require this security role. Consult your supervisor if you need it. In the FM Budget Closing Specialist folder, you should see a transaction code called FMMPCOVR, Carryover Residual Budget. At any time, you can also add this report to your favorites folder by simply right-clicking the transaction code and selecting Add to Favorites. Double-click on Carryover Residual Budget to launch this transaction code. In the Carryover Residual Budget screen, click the Get Variant button to access the variant catalog list. Select the O&M, excluding CIP variant, and click Choose. This variant populates the necessary values to run carry forward of budget. The following fields need to be reviewed and updated as necessary each time carry forward is run: fiscal year, fund, commitment item, funded program, document date, and test mode. Change the fiscal year to the sending carry forward fiscal year. For this example, we are carrying budget forward from fiscal year 2018 to fiscal year 2019. Click the multiple selection button next to the fund field. To change the fund values to the sending carry forward funds, clear the current list of funds by clicking the Delete Entire Selection Line button. Then, copy a vertical list of funds from Excel and paste it to the single value list by clicking the Upload from Clipboard button. Click the Copy button to close the multiple selection window. The commitment item fields include all expenditure commitment items to run carry forward for only expense accounts. The funded program fields exclude all capital improvement program projects, leaving only operating budget. To exclude invalid cost objects, such as expired funded program internal orders, click the multiple selection button next to the funded program field and select the Exclude Single Values tab. Enter the funded programs to exclude in the single value list, and click the Copy button to close the multiple selection window. Change the document date to the current date. The Test Mode field defaults to Update/Productive Run. Change Test Mode to Test Run with AVC checks, or Test Run without AVC checks before being run as an Update/Productive Run. Test runs do not post any carry-forward documents and will allow the user to see any issues before the real run. The user must be AVC exempt before posting. This transaction code may be executed in either regular or background mode. Regular mode should only be used when the scope of the carry forward is small. Regular mode displays all carry forward postings, but it ignores error messages. It is recommended to use background mode when multiple funds are being carried forward. Background mode logs any error messages that are encountered during the carry forward process, but it does not display carry forward postings. To execute in background mode, from the program menu, select Execute in Background. The Output Device field should be set to LOCL, and click Continue. On the Start Time window, click Immediate, and then click Save. A confirmation message should appear at the bottom of the screen. To see the status of the scheduled background job from the System menu, select Own Jobs, or alternately, in the Command field, type /NSMAX and press Enter. In the Job Overview window, you may click Refresh to update the status of the job. The status will say Finished when it is complete. To view the error log for the completed background job, click the checkbox next to the job name and click Job Log. You may export the job log by selecting Edit, Export, and Spreadsheet. After a successful update/productive run, run the Budget versus Actuals report in SAP Easy Access or Business Objects to verify that budget was carried forward. Click the Exit icon to return to the Job Overview screen. And click the Exit icon again to return to the SAP Easy Access screen. If you have any questions about these reports, please reference the work instructions posted on the Department of Finance intranet site, or contact your Department of Finance liaison. You did it! You have completed the training video, How to Use SAP Carryover Residual Budget Report to carry forward unused operating budget from the ended fiscal year to the new fiscal year. Thank you.